Okay, hi children. So I'm going to go through language usage booklet 1, worksheet 10, which is on page 11. Okay, so you're supposed to finish this first before you watch this video. So I trust that you have finished them and you're doing your own marking now, right now. So let's begin question 1. So Mrs. Chai couldn't highlight the keywords and also it's very hard for me to write, so I'm going to circle the answer instead of writing it down, and I'm going to bracket it up for hints. Okay, so those that Mrs. Chai bracketed up, you're supposed to also highlight if you have not done so. Alright, so let's start with question 1. The poor man has not eaten for a few days. He is as a wolf. So what is the hint over here? The hint over here is actually has not eaten for a few days. So this phrase gives us the hint to the answer. He is as, the answer is hungry. Okay, so put a tick if you got this right. If not, please write your corrections neatly at the bottom in green. Okay, next, look at that dancer. She is as what? As a swan. So usually when we compare an action to a swan, it is usually the word graceful. The action graceful. Okay. You can also highlight dancer as the hint to help you relate better. Question 3. Edwin Siu had no problem climbing Mount Everest. He was as what? As a fiddle. Now, the hint is no problem climbing Mount Everest. So it takes a fit person to climb that. Therefore, he was as fit as a fiddle. Okay, so make sure you write it in the blank below. Next, all the children are afraid of the old man next door. He is as what? As a lion. Now, the hint in this sentence is afraid of the old man. Okay, so when someone is afraid of that person, okay, he is as what? As a lion. So we're comparing with this animal. So the answer is fierce. Okay. Question 5. We were as what? As bees because there was much work to be done. The hint is much work. When you have so much work, okay, we were as busy as bees. Okay, we always compare the action busy, okay, with bees. Next, Yu Bing has very poor eyesight. He is as what? As a bat without his spectacles. So the hint was poor eyesight. So he is as, the answer is blind. Okay, as blind as a bat. Next, the sand on the beach is as what? As the stars in the sky. So which adjective should we use for this simile? The answer is countless. Alright, too many. So remember we learned the suffix less, okay, cannot count. There's too much sand, okay, and as compared to the stars in the sky, there are too many to be counted. Okay. Next, having won the spelling competition, Estella was as what? As a peacock. I think all of you would have known this. We always use this simile as proud as a peacock. Question 9. That little boy on the swing is my brother. He is as what? As a puppy. Okay, so usually we describe, okay, we use adjective playful to describe a puppy. Therefore, he is as playful as a puppy. Okay, so now let's move on to page 12, worksheet 11. Okay, so when we compare two persons of things that are similar in some ways, we can use as what? As what. Okay, so we compare the items below. Write sentences using as what or not. Okay, so you are supposed to refer to the picture. Okay, so for example, the ring is expensive as the watch because they are of the same price, therefore is as expensive as. So now let's look at this. Sister, brother. Okay, now we are supposed to compare using tall. If you look at the height of the sister, are they the same height? They are not. So you can say, alright, my sister is not as tall. Okay, my sister, or you can even write Isaac's sisters, Karen's sister, but make sure you have your apostrophe S. Okay, Karen's sister. So you can refer to someone else. Okay, I accept any answer as long as you have the word sister there and you use the correct comparison. Is not as tall as, and then you continue on your own. His brother, my brother. Okay, and always remember to end off with a full stop. Okay, next, let's look at question 3. We are supposed to compare t-shirt, blouse, and to use the adjective clean. So are both the t-shirt and the blouse clean? They are clean, right? So in this sentence, okay, the t-shirt is, so I'm not going to write the whole sentence down, alright? Okay, is as clean as, okay, you continue on your own, the blouse. Okay, so I repeat, the t-shirt is as clean as the blouse. Okay, let's go to question 4. So we're going to compare the price of the oranges and the price of the pears. So let's look. 60 cents each, 60 cents each. So they are the same. So the oranges are, because oranges, remember is plural, so check. Okay, are as cheap as the pears, right? And remember, check your full stop. Okay, so now let's move on to question 5. We are going to compare these two things, the diary and the notebook, and we're supposed to use the adjective thick. Okay, so which one is thick? Thicker, the diary, right? So in this case, they do not have the same thickness. So it's very important, okay, that we know which is thicker and which is not. So the notebook is not thick. So therefore, the notebook is not. Okay, very important. This is not the same thickness. Therefore, you must have the word not. Okay, as thick as the, it's not as thick as the diary. Okay. Alright. Okay, question 6. We're comparing the mop and the broom, okay, using the adjective long. Now let's look. Do they have the same length? They do, right? So therefore, the mop, okay, is as long as, oh dear, Mrs. Chai's handwriting, because of the mouse. Okay, I'm going to try my very best to write properly, okay? Is as long as the broom. Now you may ask Mrs. Chai, can I write the broom is as long as the mop? Yes, you can, because as long as they are the same, it doesn't matter which item comes first. However, you must take note, if it's not, okay, you must know which is not, which is thicker. For instance, this question 5. Okay, but if it's the same, if they are the same, it doesn't matter where the item is placed. So it can be the mop first, then the broom, or the broom, then the mop. Okay, same for this question, you can say the pears are as cheap as the oranges. Okay, or the other way round, this as well, question 3. Okay, but for question 2, because it is not, okay, so you must put the sister first. Sister is not as tall as brother. Alright? Okay, so I've come to the end of going through for your language booklet. So well done, 3-3.